Explorers! Today's top secret mission, discover how sleepy little seeds turn into giant, yummy watermelons. With Grandpa... Shh! Don't wake the tomatoes, they're shy. There he is, the master of magic beans. Quick, behind the zucchini. Grandpa, how does something so small become so big?
That's nature's magic, Kiko. Inside that tiny package is everything needed for life.
Whoa! Grandpa says this isn't a seed, it's a spaceship with a baby plant pilot. Quick!
It's sleeping now, waiting for the right conditions to wake up and grow.
It looks so tough, Grandpa. How will anything get out?
The shell protects the baby plant inside. When it's ready, it will break through naturally. All it needs is a cozy bed, some water, and sunshine.
There, little seed. I'll give you a nice drink. Are they hurting our plant? Leaves feel soft and cool. I love planting, Grandpa. We have to protect them from dirt moving too much? Grandpa, look! Something green is coming up.
The root senses the moisture in the soil, even around this big rock, and pushes towards it. It's growing stronger every day.
Yay! It worked! You did it, little plant! You made it out! I can see the water channels. Grandpa, what are the bees doing? I can see the water channels. I'll help you grow big and strong. Does this help the plants, Grandpa?
Yeah. See how the sunlight touches the leaves, dear one? That golden light is what the plant eats.
It's getting bigger every day, Grandpa.
How does it know how to grow?
It's like our plant is making new friends. Wow. Wow. I can see the roots spreading. It's more beautiful than I imagined. I don't want to hurt the baby flowers. Today might be the day. It feels like it's holding a secret inside.
You see how busy they are? The pollinators are vital to our ecosystem, making sure these beautiful flowers return year after year.
This is how our plant will make seeds of its own.
Leaves catch sunlight, Kiko, and make food for the plant.
It's twice as tall as when we started.
Perfect, Kiko. Roots absorb water slowly, so plants stay healthy.
Grandpa, look! A tomato is growing.
Even plants need good food to grow strong.
Not too much, just right. Let's see. This one is tall and leafy. That one has flowers. The cactus has spines.